Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin GMX currently trading above $65. How high can GMX continue pumping? We've seen GMX set a new all-time high. We've seen GMX set a new all-time high around $76. Right now GMX is in price discovery. How high can we expect this altcoin to go before the end of the rally we're currently seeing in the altcoin market? GMX is up more than 57% in the last 1 month. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the GMX US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at GMX performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also look at GMX market cap, which is currently above $550 million. How long will it take us to get to that magical $1 billion region? And how high can GMX market cap go before we start dumping to gobbling town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, the chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, we've started 2023 on a very bright note with all coins pumping to the upside. GMX is currently up 10% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, it's up 57.7%. In the last 1 month, we have seen GMX go from as low as 39.82%. In the last 1 month, we have seen GMX go from as low as $39.82 to as high as $75.68. GMX is a decentralized crypto exchange that supports low swap fees and zero impact price trades. Trading is supported by a unique multi-asset pool that earn liquidity providers fees from market making, swap fees, leverage trading, and asset rebalancing. Dynamic pricing is supported by Chainlink Oracles along with swap pricing from leading volume DEXs. For token holders, tokenomics and rewards for blah, 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 blah. Dynamic pricing is supported by Chainlink Oracle along with swap pricing from leading volume DEX. GMX is currently trading around the $65 region, and in the last 1 month, we have seen GMX go from as high as $76.96. In the last 1 month, we have seen GMX go from as low as $39.11 to as high as $76.96. GMX market cap has risen to the $558 million region. We have a total supply of over 8.8 million GMX tokens. GMX is currently ranked 78 on CoinMarketCap with over 39,000 people having this altcoin on their watch list. If you take a look at the GMX US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, we have seen GMX go from as low as $11.2 in September 2021. We have seen it rally up to an all-time high of $77 in 2023. I still believe we see GMX continue pumping to the upside. This is a new altcoin that was launched at the ending phases of the previous bear market. So I've not really seen how far GMX can pump in a bull market when Bitcoin is raging, when all coins are pumping aggressively. If you take a look at what GMX has done since when it was launched, we first saw it have an initial pump to the upside where it rallied to the $63 region, going from as low as $11.2 to as high as $63. That was around the 450% pump to the upside. But then, with all coins, you always expect them to dump to gobbling town, and that's exactly what GMX did. We saw this altcoin going to gobbling town, losing 82% of its value in its next 150 days. And since then, we've been seeing GMX continue rallying up to higher prices since June 2022. That proved to be the ultimate bottom for this altcoin. This altcoin has gone blasted to new all-time highs. It has rallied up more than 574%. Currently, GMX is in price discovery. We don't know how high it can go by the end of this relief rally. For that, we'll have to use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the highest point we saw for GMX in January 2022 down to the lowest point which came in June 2022. And according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, GMX still has a lot of juice to the upside. We might still see this altcoin rally to as high as $226 before the end of this bear market. From where we're currently trading right now, GMX will currently have to rise another additional 237% for us to see it get to that $223 region. And guys, remember, GMX is a new coin, so we don't really have any resistance along the way. We might just continue liquidating bears to the upside, but we might face some difficulties when we get around that $100 region. When GMX start approaching $93, we might see some market participants taking profit. Remember, smart investors that are buying when we're down in Goblin Town, they are already up more than 500% on their investment. And GMX getting to the $93 region, we see them have a 700% profit in this bear market. And guys, that is a lot, and that is a huge profit to see in a bear market. Now, if GMX can rally above the $93 level, another region where I expect us to have major problems might be around the $144 region. And at that point, GMX would have been up more than 1,100% from the bottom. And if GMX continue rallying to higher prices, the final level before we see it clock that magical $200 region is going to be around the $195 region. GMX might face some possible resistance at that level. And guys, to be honest with you, selling at the $197 region will always look like a good idea in hindsight if we get there, because if you bought some GMX around the $11 region in June 2022, if you ride it up to $197, that would have been more than a 1,600% pump to the upside in the bear market. Guys, sign me up for that. That will be exactly where a lot of market participants will start taking profit, and you don't want to be the person buying the bags at that price point. So if you believe in the project, if you believe in what the guys at GMX are doing, you want to wait for that pullback, get some, and when we reach these critical levels, you want to be paying attention to what GMX is doing, because at that price point, a lot of people will start taking profit. A lot of market participants will start getting too greedy, and that will be the best time to leave the market, or maybe just maybe wait for a possible pullback. If you take a look at what the altcoin market is doing on a monthly time frame, we're pumping to the upside, but on a yearly time frame, we're still in the bear market, and that's why I'm very cautious. Higher prices in this bear market. In the bear market, yes, we might get some rallies that might deceive you thinking we have started another new bull run, but ultimately we might just end up dumping to Goblin Town. And the only reason why we expect GMX to be pumping to higher prices is because it's in price discovery right now. We don't have any resistance above us, and there's a lot of people in the market that are waiting for us to dump. And right now, we're enjoying that disbelief rally. So when you see people in the market start believing that we're going to the moon, that is when you should start questioning whether we're really going to the moon. If you take a look at GMX performance against Bitcoin, it has been quietly pumping to new all-time highs over and over again against Bitcoin in this bear market. GMX has rallied up more than 1,100% against Bitcoin since when it was launched in September 2021. Even though I've not set new all-time highs in 2023, we saw it get to new all-time highs in 2022, and we're quietly trying to work our way back to a new all-time highs against Bitcoin in 2023. But fingers crossed, maybe just maybe GMX has stopped against Bitcoin in 2022, and we might spend 2023 dumping to Goblin Town. Remember guys, anytime you see any altcoin pumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum over a long period of time, always remember that altcoin is going to go through its bear market phase against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you take a look at GMX performance against Ethereum, it's also outperforming Ethereum since when it was launched. We have seen this altcoin rally up around 975% against Ethereum since when it was launched. We're struggling to set new all-time highs for GMX against Ethereum in this bear market, but ultimately in 2023, if we set new all-time highs, always remember we might still see GMX continue dumping to Goblin Town. We like altcoins because they can pump to the upside, they can make us very rich, and they are very profitable when they're pumping to the upside. But the downside to them pumping to the upside is that when they start dumping to Goblin Town, they can do that very quickly. And if we see GMX price rallying from the $65 region to the $197 region, or maybe getting to as high as $200, then we might see GMX market cap maybe just maybe rallying above $1 billion, even getting to as high as over $2 billion. Guys, picture this. For GMX to get to that $200 region, we'll have to see GMX price go up more than 239%. Now, if GMX market cap is going up 239% from where we're currently trading, what will GMX market cap be? GMX market cap will have to go from the $555 million region. A 200% pump to the upside will carry us way above $2 billion. We will see a 250% pump to the upside will carry GMX to that $2 billion region. Guys, do you think GMX can get that high before the end of this bear market rally? GMX market cap has gone from as low as $211 million in the last few weeks, rallying up to as high as $650 million. I believe we might see GMX market cap rally to that $2 billion region, but that $1 billion region is very, very possible, and that can happen very, very quickly for GMX. We'll just see this altcoin rally up an additional 78+% for us to get to that magical $1 billion mark. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating more GMX right now, expecting us to continue blasting to new highs? Do you think we'll see GMX rally up to as high as $200 before the end of this bear market rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, time is your friend. See you guys in my next video.